In today's competitive digital landscape, creating high-quality content that stands out is essential. AI tools are increasingly helping marketers and content creators achieve this. One such innovative product is AI Hidden Knowledge, designed to unlock powerful hidden AI techniques for content generation. AI Hidden Knowledge is a comprehensive content creation tool developed by Mark Hess. It offers a blend of a PDF guide and step-by-step video tutorials aimed at helping users leverage specific AI techniques for generating content that attracts more traffic. The product is designed for anyone interested in maximizing the potential of AI for digital marketing, blogging, affiliate marketing, and other content-driven ventures. One of the standout features of AI Hidden Knowledge is its list of 100 magic words that can be integrated into your AI prompts. These words are designed to unlock deeper, more insightful content when used with AI models like ChatGPT. Unlike generic filler words, these trigger terms instruct the AI to dig deeper and produce content rich in detail and relevance. There are plenty of AI content tools available, but AI Hidden Knowledge offers a unique advantage through its specialized approach. By using trigger words, custom prompts, and expert guidance, it helps users produce content that is not only high quality, but also ranks better due to its depth and relevance. This tool is particularly useful for those who want to be seen as experts in their niche, building credibility and trust with their audience. One of the key benefits of AI Hidden Knowledge is its ability to generate content that is naturally optimized for SEO. By focusing on both human readability and informational depth, the tool helps you create content that ranks well in search engines. AI Hidden Knowledge is more than just another AI content tool. It's a comprehensive solution for anyone serious about elevating their content game. By combining strategic prompts, flexible content styles, and advanced AI techniques, it empowers users to create top-tier content that not only resonates with readers, but also drives traffic and sales. Whether you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, or business owner, this tool can be a game changer for your content strategy. Thanks for watching.